What causes HVAC control boards to fail? HVAC control boards usually fail because of electrical surges, overheating, moisture, loose wiring, short circuits, or another damaged part that sends the wrong voltage. The control board is the equipment's main traffic director because it tells the blower, furnace, air conditioner, and safety switches when to operate. A sudden power surge, such as one caused by lightning or a utility problem, can burn tiny electronic parts on the board. Low or unstable voltage can also cause damage, especially when a weak transformer cannot provide steady power. Heat is another major problem because a clogged air filter, blocked vent, or dirty cabinet can make the system run hotter than designed. Moisture from a clogged drain, leaking coil, or high humidity can create corrosion and short circuits. Loose wire connections may produce heat and sparks, while a damaged motor, compressor, or solenoid can send a short circuit back to the board. One lesser-known cause is static electricity during installation or service, which can damage sensitive components even when no mark is visible. Before replacing a board, turn off power, inspect the wiring, check the low-voltage fuse and transformer, clear the drain, and confirm that connected motors and controls are not causing the failure. A common mistake is blaming the board when the real problem is a blown fuse, open safety switch, or failed transformer, so test those parts first. Another mistake is installing a replacement board without fixing the shorted motor or damaged wire that destroyed the original, so find and correct the cause before powering the new board. People also assume a dirty filter directly burns out the board, but it usually causes overheating that stresses several parts over time, so replace filters regularly and keep airflow clear. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.